What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's CLOUDOM in your neighborhood. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. There's a lot of good products in DAISO and I found this. It's AURORA colored Beas. I gave you a serious video last week, so this time it's gonna be a fun time. So watch me go from this
to this. I use Matrix Bright Founded Base from I-TEC. You can purchase this primer in the link in the description. This foundation is the best for this look because it's full coverage and so bright tone like a doll. Let's add a little bit of depth using a brownish concealer from NYX. And add some brightness in the center of my face. I set a lot of cream foundation with loose powder. And use the contour for more depth. This is my favorite AQUARIA palette. I use warm gray to make a dramatic crease first. White foundation is important to make the crease more defined and the perfect canvas for the colors. I take much time to blend these colors with a fluffy brush. Let's make the eye makeup look more defined with a light-colored concealer. Ooh, yes, those neat eyelashes. it's time to have fun! I don't know if Harajuku girls still like this kind of beads, but for me, they look really Harajuku, don't you think? And surprisingly, they only cost $1 at DAISO. Oh my god!
Alright, my makeup is done, so let me do my hair and take pictures. Have you enjoyed my video? If you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. See you next video, guys!